So this is my first meal of the day. This is my breakfast and my sort of pre-workout meal, just to eat something light before my workout. I have my coffee, and this is a piece of Ezekiel toast, which is an organic sprouted bread with a tablespoon of peanut butter. And on top is strawberries that I warmed up, and I mixed in 2 teaspoons of chia seeds. If you let that sit for about like 10-15 minutes, it actually turns into like a jam. So if you don't have jam, that's a way that you can just make it on your own, and you can always use different fruits. So sometimes I use blueberries, raspberries. Today I just chose strawberries. And then I also have my supplements. So I have my multivitamin, the Saint Tropica Hair Challenge vitamin that I showed you in my last video, and I also have vitamin D, and then I'm also going to take B12 as well. So that is the first meal of the day, and then I'm going to work out, and I'll come back and show you guys the post-workout meal. This is my post-workout meal. I have my Protein World BCAA capsules, a pancake. I already ate another one, so I made 2, but that is from the Protein World pancake mix. My smoothie, I showed you guys how I made that. In here I have about a cup of strawberries, 1 banana, a cup of soy milk, a tablespoon of peanut butter, and the Protein World protein powder as well, which is cocoa? All right, so yeah, the protein powder from Protein World is so good. The flavor of the protein is vanilla ice cream, and I'm telling you guys, I have never tried a protein powder that tastes that good. So I would definitely highly recommend that. In this video, I will link everything down below that I use, like even my blender, and just if I can find like food too. I don't know if I'll be able to link that, but if I can, I will. So yeah, that is what I'm having. I'm going to get ready for the day, and then I will show you what I'm eating for lunch. I am back, and this is what I'm having for lunch. This is leftovers from what I had for dinner yesterday. So this is pinto beans, a mixture of rice and quinoa, and I made veggie quesadillas. So here is about, I'd say it's about 2 tortillas, and inside I have pepper jack cheese, zucchini, tomato, bell pepper, and onion. I'm going to have some hot sauce and a little bit of lime with this. So that is what I'm having for lunch. This is the last meal of my day. This is going to be my dinner. It's 1 sweet potato and then a chickpea mixture. So on top I have chickpeas, spinach, sun-dried tomatoes, some lemon, garlic, and I think that's it. And then I topped it with some hemp seeds. That will keep me full for the rest of the night, and I might have some dark chocolate as well, just for like a little treat. But that is everything I eat in a day. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And let me know if you want the recipes for anything. I can list that down below, but I tried to show you guys and really tell you what ingredients are in each meal. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like videos like this, let me know and I will do more. And don't forget to subscribe.